In this video I'm going to show you how to find archived chats on Telegram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. On Telegram you can organize your chats into folders and also you can archive a chat. To archive chat, just swipe to the left from the very right side of the chat to bring up these three options, and the third option here is archive. You can hit on that to archive the chat, and now let me show you how to find archived chats. So all you have to do to open up archived chats is go into chats, scroll up to the very top and then pull down until archived chats appear right here. You can enter it, you can see that chats, and at any time you can swipe left right there and hit on unarchive to move that chat right there into your chats. To hide archived chats, just scroll down and scroll up again, and as you see, archived chats are hidden now. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.